Hi again! I want to show you how to transform your Christmas decorations from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store and make them into something really classy. We're working with Christmas bells and then this Christmas ornament to show you what can be done with this effect. So we're gonna start by getting some chalk paint. I have some in white and this is in truffle, which is like a dark brown. And then I have, of course, some gold, metallic gold, and a rub and buff in antique gold. And I'll try to see if I don't like this, then I'll try the gold leaf. But these are both really good. You're also gonna need some brushes, one that is a little bit bigger than the other one so that you can do, this one you can cover faster to do the base. So let's get started. I thought I could do this craft with the bells assembled, but I had to take them apart, and you'll see me there taking them apart. And then I started with the base of white. I did a couple of coats, but I didn't like the color, how it was turning out. And so I decided to start doing the rub and buff on top, and it just didn't jive. So I started going in with a little bit of that chocolate color, and then did a little bit of the rub and buff, and that's how I went all around the two bells. The rub and buff that I used was the antique gold, and you'll see there that I'm doing a mixture of the chocolate and the rub and buff until I got that antique look. Once I had finished the first bell and I was happy with it, I just kept doing the second one and compared it with the first one so that we could have a uniform look. Okay guys, so the distressing and the new color on the bells are done. What I did was, as I had shown you, I had started with some white chalk paint, but it didn't work out. I had to go in with the truffle on top, and then I did the distressing with the rub and buff, as you see here, and I went all around. If it looked too golden, then I would go back in with the truffle brush, whatever was left over, and I would just brush all around to make it distressed again. I think they look really cool, very antique and old. And now I'm just gonna put them together and I'll show you the ornaments next. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put back these together. Kind of like this, twist them together. Then I have the loop here. I'm just gonna go around and twist it, and as you can see there, they're done. On this side they look like this. I think this side looks much better because it's covering the tops. So once I have this, I'm gonna do a small bow. I'll show you. I have this ribbon that I've been using all over the house, and it's really nice because it's gold and it has really nice classic colors. I'm just gonna make a small bow, tiny one, because it's not a big bell. And I'm just gonna cut here. Hopefully my scissors they're not as sharp as I thought they were gonna be. Okay, on the ends, I'm gonna go in diagonal. And I'm gonna do the same for here. Or wait, yeah, this way. Like that, so that you can have this little two tips. And then I'm gonna do my bow ever so tiny, kind of like crossing it so that I can have a little bow, like little heart. I can put one of these, I don't remember the name. So I'm just gonna get it like this, get it around 2 times, and then cut it, because all I'm gonna do is put it on top of here. So all I need to do is cut the same length. Ooh, this is exciting. Wrap it again around and then twist it and then tuck it back so that you don't see this this ribbon. And then I'm going to, I think I have so much of this, so I think I might, if I do some red there, it's gonna look really cool. See, I took it off instead of cutting it. See? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to take out the bow, and then right here where the bow is connecting, I'm just gonna tuck it in here, kind of like in the middle, so you can also grab it to hold the holly. Looks so nice. That looks so pretty. All right. I thought I was gonna have to glue gun it, but it's not. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna put it here on top of the hutch and I'll show you how it looks. So because my bell goes too low, if I hang it with a loop like this, it's gonna interfere with my door. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm putting, instead of putting the command hook, I have a command, one of these clear ones that has the big hook. Instead of putting it here, I put one over here. And another hack that I want to give you is I have the command hook, but I don't have a the command strip. So all I did was I got some double-sided tape from the dollar store, I think, a long time ago, and that's what I'm doing, just attaching it there, and that should work. So I already put it over here, the decorations there on top, and it's done. Let me show you closer. I think the mission was accomplished here, guys. I made these bells that were really inexpensive into something that looks very high-end and chic on a budget. Let me know if you're gonna try this craft, and let me know how it goes as well. More fun crafts and projects are coming your way, so stay tuned, and until next time, God bless you.